was a slow-mo.
Tell everyone what Nate's about to do.
This is Nate talking.
Oh. Nate's about to apply some graphics to the car. Right, and then what you're doing.
Yeah, when do you get to see me?
When do I get to see you?
Mm-hmm.
Tonight at 8 p.m. sharp.
Ooh, doubt it.
And just like that, the print house day is done. And now it's time for me and Brandon,
Shout out Chick-fil-A.
to keep jamming.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Best neighbors in the world, Kelly Saw and Tool plug, check them out.
So here she is, man. She's a 1989 Nissan 240SX. We just did quite a bit of work to it. We rewrapped it. We did like the fuel cell and the radiator, and so it's a Corvette motor.
Oh wow!
Yeah, with like
A NASCAR drivetrain.
Yeah, you definitely need lots of power.
yeah, for sure. We're live, folks. Say what up to the fucking world.
What's up, world?
Adrian,
You got overspray.
today's the day. No, I didn't. Oh my god. Nah, bro, we're good. Shit.
All right, we're getting right into this shit, man. Today's the day. We're gonna finalize the livery. We're gonna start the car. Everything's gotta work. Tomorrow is dyno in alignment. So stay tuned. We got Adrian in the house. We got Brandon, Austin working on this white drip. If I flash over to here, we got my dad and shout out Tristan, Dream Speed.
They are dialing. Yo, say what up to the internet.
What's up?
What's up?
All right, so these boys are dialing in all the spare parts. We've kind of have a collection of everything from years past.
Also new stuff, but
We don't even need these.
You know what I'm saying? There's stuff we don't even need. Dad, did you see the edit, the latest
Yes.
edit when you got introduced and then you almost fucking
Yep.
killed yourself?
And then somebody said something about, yeah, he almost changed his name.
Yeah.
so long story short, on the last edit, Dad was fucking around with the battery while he was talking to the camera. Shocked himself. Anyways,
But we got our batteries that are still fucking fresh and good from XS. But yeah, thank you Tristan, thank you Dad. They're dialing in the trailer. This is something that I've done in the past and haven't had time to do in quite some time. But look at this, man. They got the whole front assembly, driver, passenger, rear arms. They're dialing it in.
It's getting there.
so we'll keep you guys posted on today's progress. Here we go.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
It's on this side. Right here.
Come on now.
I don't see it. Oh, right here, bro. I got you.
Thanks, bro.
Nice. I'm almost like, do we leave the drip blue? It looks sick.
Sweet. Almost there.
Almost there. Brandon's hooking up our drip into turning it white. Adrian's doing one more caster adjustment because we noticed the wheels were getting super close to the side skirt. We're getting closer, guys.
We are at this current moment, maybe only 1 hour from trying to start the car.
Well, I'll go give a damn tour shit on my own
give a
then.
tour of our trailer.
Because they don't want to do a trailer tour. But the boys been kicking ass all day. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Tristan.
Here's this nice air-conditioned trailer.
In the nice hot trailer. But it looks great. They definitely...
Secondary shop.
You guys cleared maybe 3 or 4 of those trays out, like the bins?
Yeah,
Or
we
more.
only have 4 bends now.
But check it out, guys. We got suspension on the walls.
Shout out Rad Dan. Rad Dan came through with a video of his trailer recently, and that inspired us to get back to this. Like I said, a while ago I did this, and I haven't done it probably since my Anjuku days.
I think
but
so. Is this one yours?
Thanks to Dad and Tristan.
Here's a quarter, right?
Front
Yeah,
coils,
mine should be.
front rear driver, front rear passenger. some ISR arms, some Part Shop Max arms, because we're doing a lot of the ISR mixed with Part Shop Max in the back end. And then over here looks like a bunch of random goodies, dude, that's been sitting around, but now we know. Some belts, serpentines, some wiring, some ISR brake line stuff. Dude, this is looking good.
Yeah.
Dad's killing it. Now all they gotta do is load some tires, and we're on our way to North Dakota.
Almost there.
Almost there. Good stuff, man. We're making progress.
Like I said, we're only a little bit away from starting this car. We're wrapping up the last graphics. We're waiting on a phone call from Eric at Holly, and we'll be on our way.
Or just pour it in. Nate's gonna be fresh going somewhere. All right, pour it now. Yes, so right.
All right, so a little dry start here, pump some oil through it. You guys good?
Yes, I'm pouring.
All right, Eric, we got the O2 sensor plugged in.
Okay, all right. Very good. All right, so go ahead and ignition back on.
Okay, ignition on.
Okay. Okay, all right, and one more time back off.
Okay.
Wait 3 seconds and back on.
Okay, off. 1, 2, 3, on.
Okay, all right, gotcha. All right, so let me do a log here, and let's just kind of see what happens off the bat.
Okay.
So go ahead and crank it, and let's see if she'll start.
Okay, so we'll do fuel. So I should have fuel pressure. I'm reading about 58 on my display.
Yep.
What do you got?
Close to that.
You good there? Yeah. So on the actual Jesus, we got about 60 up front on the motor.
Okay, all right. Well,
Regulator.
I mean, you know, within a pound or something.
Regulator.
That's totally fine.
Okay.
So
Cool.
Here, I'm just gonna.
Nervous?
Yeah.
And go ahead. Let's see if what she does.
Okay, sounds good. So I'll just do, no fans needed right now and no lights needed, so we'll just go ahead and start it. You ready? Okay, here we go. Okay.
Yeah, that's struggling already. The IAC is max. So go ahead and go up front and add, let's say, 1 turn to the idle set screw.
Okay, Adrian, I need you. We're about to make some adjustments real quick for you, Eric.
Okay.
So basically right now we have not enough air coming in.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, well, do you want me to? I don't know. Maybe call you back and get this started. What the fuck, dude?
Trying the starter gear is trying to move, but it's not letting it.
So it's internal to
It's
the
internal
starter.
to the starter.
Okay, Adrian. Little update. We had Eric on the phone. Worked on throttle position, which went great. Worked on a little bit of like opening the throttle body to allow the startup to go smooth. Everything seems pretty good. And then we were starting to get into like some warmer temperatures, but long story short, our starter is now being a little, so we're struggling. A little beep. And then, so now we're about to pull the starter. It's like 7:30 at night on a Sunday. Everyone's putting in way too much work. We're trying to go get an alignment and a dyno tomorrow. But
All right, we have that other
here we go.
one.
This happens.
Alright, so same day, a lot later time. Everything with Eric at Holly was going good. Obviously we started the car, sounds healthy. And then as we were dialing in the start, basically we had starter issues. Our first issue was this bolt had backed off and basically allowed this to float and almost mess itself up. We're gonna swap it with one that we've had. And then also, if we were to check Brandon's guns, they're huge.
Yeah. And he ended up breaking this off. Oh, it's under
You
here.
can't see
It's
it.
under here. That.
You're not gonna be able to see
They
it.
can see it.
I'm recording.
And now we're swapping. So we need this. So we have our old one that we hope worked. Not sure why we pulled the starter off.
Yeah, we gotta start labeling.
Problems after problems. Here we go. Here we go.
Tomorrow is Monday morning, so we will call up Tilton and see if we can't figure this shit out. And then we're also gonna go to Caps Automotive for an alignment, which looks like we'll be Flintstoning it, pushing it in the trailer and out of the trailer. And then from there, Tuesday, hopefully we get the part we need for the starter and load up and go to North Dakota. So anyways, not a super negative night, but not the best night ever.
Any outros, Brandon? Any outros, Adrian? No. Austin? Dad?
I give up.
Y'all see the vibes. We'll see y'all soon.